Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to set HP for the aircraft and the boss, and the aircraft will be able to respond when it is attacked. Also, the aircraft can recover HP by picking up supplies. In addition, the result of the game will be determined by HP. Now, let's scratch. First, about HP of the aircraft. Go to HP sprite and make a variable HP. It is for this sprite only. Assume the aircraft has up to 100 HP. As you can see, these costumes represent different HP of the aircraft. If HP is greater than 80, switch costume to 1. And if it's larger than 60, that is, between 60 and 80, switch costume to 2. Be careful where you put these blocks. In this way, we can change the costumes accordingly. When the HP is not more than 0, the game is over. Next, when the aircraft is hit by an enemy, the HP should be reduced accordingly. In the bullet sprite, this piece of script could be of use, so we can copy it to the aircraft. And when I receive start, forever, and put it here. If touching any of these sprites, change HP by a negative number. Say -10 each time. And then make an effect of being hit. For example, make it flash twice using ghost effect. Then put it here. In this way, when it is hit, it can reduce its HP and flash 2 times. Give it a go. Next, the aircraft will blast when HP is 0. And then the game is over. That means we need to change the costume. So, add a script like this one. When I receive lose, stop other scripts in the sprite, then switch costume to blast, and create explosion effect using ghost effect. What's more, when the game starts, we need to clear graphic effects and set its initial size and costume. So, add these blocks here. Under when I receive initialize block, and the HP sprite should be hidden. And then this script should stop. And then go to the enemy sprites. When they receive lose, they should stop other scripts in sprite and then delete this clone. Now copy this script to the other enemies. Then go to the boss sprite. When receiving lose, make a fade out effect. And these bullets are the same. When receiving lose, stop other scripts and delete the clone. Next, about the restart button. When the game is over, it should show. So, the program could be like this. When I receive loose, go here and show. Then use ghost effect to make it appear. Go to Start button and copy this script. Click to Start block. And the broadcast should be initialized. Now, click this script. It shows and it has the same effect as Start button, and you can go back to the cover by clicking it. Next, go to the supply sprite. When you pick up a supply, you can increase the HP by 20. So, when touching the aircraft, change HP by 20. Give it a go. Okay, now we can replenish the HP. However, there are two things for improvement. First, if I get supply when the HP is full, we should keep the HP to 100. So, if HP is greater than 100, then set HP to 100. Then the other thing that needs to improve is the thunder sprite. It didn't follow the aircraft very well just now. We only have to change a little. Move Go to Aircraft block from here into the loop. Try again. Okay, look. Now the thunder can follow the aircraft perfectly. Next, assume that the full HP of the boss is 100 as well. Go to the boss sprite and add such a script. Set boss HP to 100 at first. If touching bullet, change HP by -1. And if boss HP is less than 1, stop other scripts in sprite. Broadcast win. Then make an explosion effect. And finally stop this script. Give it a go. However, when the player won the game, remember to stop the scripts of the aircraft and the enemies, and hide HP sprite, and add such a script in the aircraft sprite. When I receive win, fade out. Go to the HP sprite when receiving win. Stop other scripts in sprite and hide. Don't forget the bullets and the boss's bullets and missiles. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time.